Hello, everyone. My husband came home with something. Well, first off, he came home, told me about it, and then he went and hunted it and came home with it. And I asked him if I could have a piece, and he said, sure. And I have to tell you something. This makes mixed media and recycling so much easier. You will not believe it. It is amazing. Jeff carves, so he has sanding blocks all the time. He has all kinds of sanding stuff out in the shop, and he brought me this, and I've been using it, but it fills up and then it doesn't do its job very well. And this new stuff, it's called Arbornet, and it's by Merca. This happens to be a circle one just because that's what he found locally. Now, I'm going to tell you that I put Amazon affiliate links down in the description box. Understand that if you should purchase there, I get a few pennies. Don't worry about that. That's not the reason. What I did was I wanted you to be able to read about this stuff. So there are Amazon links down below. What this is, and if I think you can see right through it. It is not like sandpaper. It does not fill up like sandpaper. It's got fuzzies on this, and you can buy a pad to go on here. It actually comes in rolls as well. Now, look for this locally because Jeff paid $1 a piece for these circles, and you have to buy several in the package. But if you don't have that option, you're not going to use it up very fast because it lasts apparently forever. The man who sold Jeff these said he loves it, but he doesn't sell a lot because it doesn't wear out like sandpaper. It doesn't fill up. Because it is made on this mesh, it doesn't fill up inside. Now, you can use, this is made for wood, but of course, you know what I want it for. We all have this cardboard packaging that has, see how shiny that is? Has that shiny on it. And I pulled out, tried to pull out something dark so that you could see what happens in just, that fast, and it has roughed up the surface. I would have had to go over it many times. Now, I will guarantee to you that you want a rag around to wipe this up, because you see the red that's on there? And don't let the sandpaper touch your mat. Make sure you've protected your mat. But see how fast that is? It's like zip and it's done. And if this fills up with dust, you take it to your trash can and pop it out. Just shake it out. I was just amazed how quickly and easily this stuff works. Now, this is 320, so that's real fine. It doesn't chew up my paper the way that the sandpaper does either. And see, you have to really work with the sandpaper to get it to come off. And this other, I don't want to do it like that. Let me move this. I want to make sure I have an edge. You just wipe across it and you're done. And it's got that rougher surface so that you have, see how fast it, just done. So, like I said, I put Amazon links down below for this product. This is 320 grit, which is real fine. And I kind of asked him for a fine one because I don't like the cardboard, when I'm going to paint over it, to be all scoured. I just want that slick stuff to taken off. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be this fine, but that's what I bought. You can buy multi-packages of this if you wanted to, if you're going to sand wood or something like that. These actually will go on a sander to hold a disc. Like I said, you can buy a foam pad that's very much like this, that this will stick to. This works really well, and it's little. I can tuck it up here on my desk and have it whenever I want it. It's called Arbornet from Mirka, and I just really wanted to tell you all about it. And like I said, you can read more about it through those links. Try to find it local, because they're going to sell it very inexpensively, and it lasts forever. So if you're buying sandpaper and having to go rebuy, then it really saves money too. This is my book called 1001 Ways to Creativity, and we are going to read a quote from it. Find an inspirational quote and pin it above your workspace to motivate yourself when the going is hard. Okay. All right. That's not the best one, but anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.